Hi, I'm Chelsea Traver, VP of Finance for the MCE Group. The investment in Vietnam strongly supports our long-term growth strategy by positioning us for market dominance and superior profitability in the fastest growing region. One of the first things we look at is our accelerated revenue capture in APAC. The facility is strategically positioned to directly serve high-growth regional markets with maximum efficiency, leading to higher market share and faster revenue recognition. The second reason for it is that we reduce total cost of delivery. Local manufacturing cuts lead times by up to 50%, eliminating expensive air freight and minimizing logistics risks, which directly boosts profit margins on the APAC sales. The last and final thing we consider is our future-proofing of high-margin business. By focusing on AI edge computing and deploying proven hybrid cooling, we secure long-term, high-value contracts in the most demanding, dense segments of the data center industry. To ensure the new facility delivers both operational efficiency and sustainable value, we've implemented a multi-layered strategy focused on financial discipline, scalable operations, and long-term profitability. We're engineering our manufacturing processes for lean, high-speed execution. Lean manufacturing practices, where we're implementing lean methodologies to minimize waste, improve workflow, and enhance productivity across all departments. Another piece we look at is local workforce development. Investing in training programs for local talent ensures high skill levels, reduces turnover, and builds a resilient operational base. The last thing that makes it an advantage is that supply chain optimization. Manufacturing locally and closer to the customer base means we reduce waste, minimize expensive shipping and customs duties costs. The strategic location in Vietnam allows for proximity to key suppliers and export hubs, reducing logistics costs and lead times. This integrated approach ensures the facility is not only efficient today, but financially resilient and scalable for tomorrow. We balance innovation and financial responsibility when scaling globally through a disciplined, customer outcome-focused investment model that mandates both strategic alignment and measurable financial payback. First thing, of innovation filtered by payback. Innovation is treated as an investment with a defined return, prioritizing projects that are core to the business and deliver measurable customer outcomes like a faster time to solution. Second, the strategic allocation for R&D. Dedicated innovation teams are set aside from daily operations to focus on future needs, ensuring continuous development without disrupting current financial performance or operational stability. Global insight, local efficiency. We instantly share successful solutions globally while maintaining consistent engineering excellence. This approach scales innovation efficiently, ensuring that R&D dollars spent in one region benefit the entire global footprint. We see this facility contributing to resilience in our worldwide supply chain by acting as a primary mechanism for geographic diversification and control, which de-risks our entire operation. The mitigation of geopolitical risks. The facility creates a strong manufacturing anchor in Southeast Asia, reducing reliance on any single country and diversifying our supply chain to manage trade, validity, and country-specific risks. Direct control over quality and timing. Local manufacturing gives us full control of quality and timing, directly addressing the challenge of supply chain disruptions and avoiding reliance on external, unpredictable logistics for key components. Finally, enhance global agility. By cutting lead times and minimizing customs and logistics risks, the facility provides a crucial second hub that allows for quick pivot capabilities and faster customization to meet shifting demands across the US, EMEA, and APAC markets.